I'm worried, Jamie. I've seen an influx of TikTok followers and all my recent data points to something big on the horizon.
What do you mean, big?
Well, let's say this Twinkie represents the normal amount of followers across social media platforms. According to this morning's sample, it would be a Twinkie 35 feet long, weighing approximately 600 pounds.
That's a big Twinkie.
We could be looking at a 4-fold cross rip. How can we trap that many followers?
What's up, gang? We've been mixing it up a lot here recently. Right here, we tried to get you to eat slime. We gave you a little supernatural sip, but you don't want any of it. And so we're trying to figure out what you like. We're trying to figure out how to. I want you to eat.
You good?
I want to make something for you to eat. We want to make something.
Jamie.
Hold on.
What my colleague
We
here...
tried to think of the most harmless thing.
Something fun, lighthearted.
What do you want?
Big Twinkie.
I want that cake. We're gonna make a big boy. I almost said a bad word. I almost said a big boy word. We're gonna make a big bad boy buster cake, and we're gonna cream fill it until it looks like the floor of a taxi cab.
So, we're going to be making a sponge cake base and filling with our own homemade marshmallow fluff filling. And it's not going to hurt anybody.
We're about to be caked up.
Mixing up dust like true Ghostbusters.
Kat, what are you doing right now?
Fired up. Bacon.
Making bacon?
Making bacon pancake. It's 2 cups flour, 2 cups sugar, and 1 whole teaspoon of baking powder. We've doubled it up.
Doubled up?
Doubled up.
Double down?
No.
We gotta double it up like you double up fingers on a ghost. We got twice the know-how in this cake, twice the particle power, twice the product placement, and probably half the flavor of the original. But we're gonna sell a lot of toys.
Baking's not an art, it's witchcraft.
Somebody blows their nose and you want to eat it? How do you know when that's ready?
It gets thick.
We're busting up eggs the way we bust up ghosts. If it's not the frothy froth, the cream of the crop, as thick as the spit of a terror dog, then you're not there yet. Y'all remember lightning scritches?
Now we're just folding the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients.
Flipping it.
Yes. Put my lips.
You're leaving fingerprints all over that thing.
I know. It happens.
Everyone's gonna know exactly who committed this crime.
But we're gonna drip drop drizzy into a spongy glizzy.
So I don't know how this is going to turn out. I completely messed up all that math. Nerfed all the math.
We're scientists.
Not mathematicians.
Not now. Now it's time to heat things up. Oh, we gotta roast it.
Why don't we just use an oven?
But we're about to bake up like Aykroyd and Ramis right in that first draft. Ziggy, she's twitching. We gotta twitch her.
And now, little Jimmy, we show you how the cream is made. So we're doing our own homemade marshmallow cream filling, the way Twinkies were made back in the 80s. Secret recipes and all that. But it's primarily made with marshmallow fluff, a little bit of confectioner sugar, a little bit of shortening, some salt water, and an itty bit of vanilla extract.
I'm over here with my boy Dave E making some Dave E cream. We're trying to conjure it up Walter Peck style. Just a couple of busters mixing a batch. It's not weird. Is that weird? Don't make it weird. And then we just start whisking it, right?
Yeah. Whiskey business. As that one weird guy says all the time.
Who says that?
One of the weird YouTube chef peoples.
Says what? Whiskey business. Oh boy. Who needs a shake weight? And you got David's cream.
Busting out cream like a race stance dream. It's a wet mattress you're not ashamed of.
David's like a cement mixer right now for one of those little elves in the trees. You know what I'm talking about?
Keebler?
Keebler.
Mr. Keebler.
Mr. Keebler is my father.
Senior Keebler.
He owned all those elves in the trees. He owned the trees.
He built the trees.
He owned the trees.
We're about to cut this cake the way they cut that American Pie Dad out of Ghostbusters 2. We're gonna drill some holes and fill it with David's special cab cream because there's so many holes in this video, we didn't think anyone would notice. We did it. We thought of it. We made it happen. She said it. That's a big Twinkie. The most harmless thing. We made a $30 Twinkie. We made a $30 Twinkie. It's getting me so fired up. I'm ready to bust into it. Oh, we're gonna bust into it.
Was any of that usable?
That was painful. That's what that was.
Next time, we got